In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Windows 10 from saving files to OneDrive, a process that will help you take back control over where your data is stored. By default, Windows often sends documents, pictures, and other files directly to OneDrive. While OneDrive can be incredibly useful for those who rely on cloud storage for access from multiple devices, not everyone wants their files to automatically end up there. So, whether you're working offline often, are conscious about cloud privacy, or just prefer storing everything locally, this guide will simplify things for you. First, let's head to that Start menu on your Windows desktop. Click on it, and you'll see a search bar. Type in Settings and hit Enter. This will open up the Settings window. Now, in the Settings window, you'll notice an option labeled System. Go ahead and click on it. This is where we make changes related to your storage settings. With the System settings open, look to the left-hand side and find the tab that reads Storage. Clicking on this will give us an overview of storage space across your device and is crucial in controlling where files are directed. Once you're in the storage settings, you will see an option that says Change where new content is saved. Select this option, and you'll be able to choose your preferred default location for files. You will now be able to adjust the various types of files your system saves, such as apps, documents, music, photos, and videos. To redirect these from saving to OneDrive, you simply select the drop-down menu for the file type you want to change. From the drop-down, select this PC instead of OneDrive for your desired file types. This tells your computer to save those files to your local storage, thereby keeping them out of the cloud and on your device. Once you've adjusted these settings, be sure to take a moment to review them for accuracy. Close out of the Settings window, and you're all set. This simple change can lead to better offline performance since your files will be saved directly to your computer. Plus, you'll have peace of mind knowing exactly where your data resides. If you ever want to revert these settings, just repeat the process and switch back to OneDrive in the drop-down menu. The flexibility to choose your default storage area can be a genuine game changer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to better manage your files on Windows 10. Remember, being in charge of where your data goes is a vital part of digital well-being. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your computer.